Guys, I'm playing Grow Garden. Go Garden. AJ. Playing Grow Garden. Huwag kayo maingay. Huwag kayo maingay. Huwag kayo maingay. Huwag kayo maingay, guys.
Maglaro bola-bola. Laro ulit bola.
Basta kayo kahit magano ka.
Kala ko.
Ano? Sabi ko
Saan
kayo
tayo?
not do.
Just place it.
Ayun mo.
Your homework is not done already. Your mom is gonna get angry on you if you delete that homework.
Delete the homework. I'm joking. I'm gonna delete the homework.
Don't delete it. Your mom is gonna angry. Don't delete that too.
Di lang may iPhone si ano? Si Tan.
iPad.
Ay, iPad na iPhone. Sige, iPad.
Meow. Meow. Tama, umayos na.
Ayusin mo nga garden ko, B. B.
Maya.
Open up, B.
I wait this for months.
I wait too long to buy that.
Banana. Nakailang banana ka na eh, mga dalawa eh.
I wait for too long to buy that.
Banana?
No. Where's summer egg? I can't buy it because I'm broke.
Tara, open na natin ban egg.
Sige. Get open that bag like.
Just wait, I'm gonna clean my...
Where's the bun egg?
I'm gonna clean my garden.
Bibi, akin nandito, Bibi. Sa'yo nandoon, di ba?
Yeah. Oh, just guys say hi to me. And if she like my garden, you can have this. You can have this. You can have this.
May fountain na naman.
Kaya nga, open ako, B.
Beach, get out of my garden.
Nag-stop yung ano, fountain trag. Din sa cosmetic.
I hate fountain.
The frog fountain.
I hate the frog fountain.
But
Oh my god, I'm cooked. My money is cooked. My money is cooked. Oh no, I'm cooked.
Popoingit to si Kenken, oh.
bakit?
Popoingit.
Kuhanin ko yung candy blossom ko. Tignan natin kung sino magpapainggit.
Nasaan na yung candy blossom ko? Saan na yung one bikulan? Oh,
You don't have.
saan na yung one ko?
Grind mo muna yung mga little bit account.
Saan na?
Just grind little bit my account.
Lang.
Ano na akong kubi?
Saan na nga yung 1B?
Wala pa nga ne.
Bite me nga ne.
Look at that. It's too big. Height mo.
May favorite tool ako yata.
Very good. Ano yung favorite 76?
76. Lolon! Alam ko na ginamit mo account ko. Sinabi mo yun, diba? Lo, binili mo yung ano. So, alam kita eh.
Hindi pa polygram. Are you serious right now, babe? Sabi mo ako na, babe.
Can't remove big shoe. I can't remove my punch.
Okay. I can't remove my candy.
Wait lang kasi. Inaayos ko pa yung ano eh. Ganyan siya na ganyan. Yabang eh. Ganyan na ganyan si Dylan eh. Yabang eh. Porkit ayaw Porket sabi lang mamaya, ano na agad eh. Wala. Hindi, Cherry. Ganyan agad eh.
Ay, putay. Jay.
I can make a difference.